Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're diving deep into the world of assistive devices, how they empower individuals with disabilities, and most importantly, how a solid preventive maintenance program ensures their optimal performance. We'll be exploring a variety of these devices, their unique applications, and the key components of a successful maintenance program. Let's get started. Assistive devices are truly a game changer. They help individuals with disabilities live a more independent life by leveraging technology and increasing accessibility for all. A strong preventive maintenance program can ensure that these devices are operating at their best, providing a safe and helpful tool for their users. There's a wide range of assistive devices available today, designed to help individuals with various disabilities accomplish daily tasks more easily. Let's look at some examples. When it comes to gross motor assistance, mobility devices such as power wheelchairs, scooters, and prosthetic and orthotic devices are there to help individuals with physical disabilities. Moreover, building accommodations like ramps, wide doorways, and grab bars make accessing public facilities with assistive devices a breeze. Then we have fine motor assistance. A variety of lightweight, high-performance assistive devices allow individuals to participate in sports and physical activities. Tools like page turners, special pencil grips, adaptive switches, and utensils help with other fine motor tasks. There are also specialty tools that assist with tasks such as dressing, cooking, and grooming. For those with vision challenges, sight-related assistive devices can be a huge help. Bold markers, dark line paper, or visors can assist individuals with low vision to accomplish written tasks. Plus, many magnifiers, telescopes, and closed-circuit television systems serve as other optical devices. Hearing assistance is another category. Simple devices like hearing aids and closed caption technologies can increase access to media for deaf individuals or people with hearing loss. Finally, there are educational devices. Many computer-based assistive devices are designed to help individuals with cognitive disabilities. For example, text-to-speech software helps students who have trouble reading, while speech-to-text aids assist those who cannot write. Voice recognition software and screen readers are other examples. Now, assistive devices and related technology are a significant investment. Whether you're using these devices in an educational setting or as part of a business that provides disability accommodations, these devices need to be maintained for the safety and performance of those in your organization. Here are some key components of a strong preventive maintenance program to help all these devices stay operating and reliable. Firstly, schedule regular maintenance. All assistive devices come with an instruction manual and care instructions. By entering this data into a computerized maintenance management system, you can easily track and schedule all those regular maintenance tasks automatically. At scheduled intervals, your team can perform the routine cleaning, inspection, parts replacement, or maintenance required to ensure your assistive devices are still safe and operational. Next, have an easy-to-use work order system. Even with a good preventive maintenance program, it's likely that assistive devices will break or malfunction on their own. It's important to have a streamlined and organized way of tracking the necessary repairs organization-wide. By employing a centralized system, all employees or even users can have access to the work order entry system. When they notice a needed repair, they can enter a work order. These orders can then be organized and prioritized by a maintenance manager. Lastly, manage replacement parts or disposables. A preventive maintenance program can also help an organization manage replacement parts, ordering them on demand, or ensure that disposable supplies required with devices are always well stocked. As you accumulate historic preventive maintenance data, it will be easier to predict what you need and when you need replacement supplies. In conclusion, assistive devices are an amazing application of technology today. A wide range of devices increase accessibility to all through adaptations in technology. Preventive maintenance programs help keep all that technology in good working order so individuals can focus on their daily tasks at hand. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the world of assistive devices, their unique applications, and the importance of preventive maintenance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, a well-maintained device is a reliable device.